I'm gonna show you how to make a really refreshing smoothie. Start with some frozen mango chunks and then 1 whole banana. I like to keep mine frozen in halves so that I can keep track of how much I'm using. Then I'm doing 1 whole orange, some plant-based milk. I'm gonna use my same cup so I don't have to dirty another one. Optional vanilla extract. This will make it taste a little bit like an orange Julius. And if you want, you can add in some protein powder. So good.